Exercise 3.3. Find the transpose of each of the following matrices. First problem. 5 1 by 2 minus 1. Here, take the matrix A equal to 5 1 by 2 minus 1. Now, transpose of A denoted by A dash or A transpose. Here we have only one column. Write first column into first row. That is the transpose of the matrix. So it implies 5 1 by 2 minus 1. Write the rows into columns or columns into rows. Then we say that that is said to be transpose of a matrix. Second problem. Let B equal to 1 minus 1 2 3. B transpose equal to it's R1 and this is R2. Write R1 into C1. 1 minus 1. Write R2 into C2. 2 3. This is the transpose of the given matrix B. Third one. Let C equal to minus 1 5 6 root 3 5 6 2 3 minus 1. You take it as R1 R2 R3. Now C transpose equal to write R1 into C1. It implies minus 1 5 6. Write R2 into C2 root 3 5 6. Write R3 into C3 2 3 minus 1. Therefore, this is the transpose of this given matrix. If A transpose equal to minus 2 3 1 2 and B equal to minus 1 0 1 2, then find A plus 2B whole transpose. It is given by A transpose, but he is asking A plus 2B whole transpose. Here, we know that A plus 2B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus 2B whole transpose. It implies equal to A transpose plus, we have the formula K into A whole transpose equal to K into A transpose. It implies 2 into B transpose equal to, we have A transpose equal to minus 2 3 1 2 plus 2 into B transpose. The matrix B is this one. B transpose equal to minus 1 1 0 2. It implies it's equal to minus 2 3 1 2 plus minus 2 2 0 4. It implies it's equal to, we are having minus 2 minus 4, 3 plus 2 5, 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 4 6. Fifth problem. For the matrices A and B, verify that AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose, where A equal to the matrix is 1 minus 4 3 and B equal to minus 1 2 1. Here we have to prove that AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. So, first we have to find A into B. We have to multiply A and B. AB equal to 1 minus 4 3 into the matrix B equal to, we are having minus 1 2 1. Here the order of A equal to, first let us verify whether you can multiply A and B or not. The order of A equal to, here we have 3 cross 1. The order of B equal to 1 cross 3. the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. After multiply these two matrices, we get a matrix of order 3 by 3. So here first row into first column, 1 into minus 1. First row into second column, 1 into 2. First row into third column, 1 into 1. Second row into first column, minus 4 into minus 1, minus 4 into 2, minus 4 into 1. Third row into first column, 3 into minus 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 2, 1, 4, minus 8, minus 4, minus 3, 6, 3. The matrix AB equal to, we are getting minus 1, 2, 1, 4, minus 8, minus 4, minus 3, 6, 3. Now, we have to find AB whole transpose. It implies AB whole transpose equal to AB whole dash equal to transpose of AB equal to, write R1 into C1, minus 1 to 1, write R2 into C2, 4 minus 8, minus 4, minus 3, 6, 3. Now we got LHS. Now we have to find RHS. B transpose. B transpose equal to, B equal to, we have only one row here, minus 1 to 1. Write R1 into C1. So it implies B transpose equal to minus 1 to 1. Similarly, A transpose equal to, here we have only one column. Write the first column into first row. So it implies we have 1, minus 4, 3. It implies B transpose into A transpose equal to minus 1 to 1. 1, minus 4, 3. The order of the B dash equal to 3 cross 1. The order of A dash equal to 1 cross 3. Here the number of columns in B dash is equal to number of rows in A dash. So we can multiply these two matrices. Now here after multiplying B dash and A dash, we get a order 3 by 3. It implies it's equal to, we have to take first row into first column, minus 1 into 1, first row into second column, minus 1 into minus 4, minus 1 into 3. Next second row into first column, 2 into 1, 2 into minus 4, 2 into 3. Next 1 into 1, third row into first column, 1 into 1, 1 into minus 4, 1 into 3. It implies we get B dash into A dash equal to minus 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 8, 6, 1, minus 4, 3. Now here AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Therefore, we take it as AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Hence proved. If A equal to cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha, then verify that A transpose into A equal to identity matrix. Given that A equal to cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha, A dash will be equal to Write C1 into R1, cos alpha minus sin alpha. Write second column into second row, sin alpha, cos alpha. Now, A transpose into A equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha into A equal to, we have the matrix cos alpha, sin alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. The number of columns in A dash equal to, we are having 2. The number of rows in A equal to, we have 2. So we can multiply these two matrices. So we have to take first row into first column. It will be equal to cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha, plus minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha, sin square alpha. Next, first row into second column, cos alpha into sin alpha, minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Second row into first column, sin alpha into cos alpha, plus cos alpha into minus sin alpha. So it becomes minus sin alpha into cos alpha, sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha, plus cos square alpha equal to, we know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, which is equal to identity matrix. Show that the matrix A equal to 1, minus 1, 5, minus 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 3 is a symmetric matrix. The definition of the symmetric matrix is A transpose equal to A. Solution. A equal to, we are having this matrix. Given that A equal to 1, minus 1, 5, minus 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 3. A dash equal to, A transpose equal to, write R1 into C1. 1, minus 1, 5. Write R2 into C2. Minus 1, 2, 1. R3 into C3. 5, 1, 3. Now, A transpose equal to A. If you identify these two are equal. So here we say that A transpose equal to A. Therefore, A is symmetric.